Hey friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Become part of our home decor family. Okay, so in today's video, let's take a look at some small bathrooms with bath. I know a lot of times I feature some of these sprawling, humongous rooms and homes, but in reality, that's not what most of us have. So these are just going to be a collection of small bathrooms, primarily ones that have a bathtub. You can get some inspiration from this, some ideas from this, just to do with your small bathroom if you have a bathtub attached, or of course just some inspiration for decoration. As always, don't forget to check the description box down below. I have some of my favorite finds that I found on Amazon if you are interested in recreating this look at your home. So without further ado, please enjoy the video. Also, leave a comment, let me know some video ideas that you would want to see. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching And Then There Was Style, but if you want to see more, check out one of these 2 videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends and stay safe.